prizing agility. It's comfortable, but also engaging, luxury with a driver's edge. The i7 is a different answer to the same question: what should electric luxury feel like? Where the EQS is sci-fi, the i7 is classic opulence, reimagined for the EV era. It's a car to be driven in or to drive yourself. Choosing between the i7 and EQS, it's all about your taste in luxury. Both are engineering marvels, and both prove the electric transition is serious business. The i7 is BMW's bold statement for the future. It's unmistakably a 7 Series, just electrified. BMW's flagship is ready for the new era. The i7 is luxury, evolved. It's a worthy rival to the best in the world. The electric sedan wars are officially on. The i7 is here to win. Now let's talk about a true disruptor, the Lucid Air Dream Edition. This California startup didn't just join the EV race, it changed the game. The Dream Edition range delivers a jaw-dropping 520 miles on a single charge, more than any other EV. Lucid's secret: in-house motors, batteries, and software, all engineered for extreme efficiency and performance. The car's drag coefficient is just 0.21, making it one of the world's most aerodynamic. There's also the Dream Edition performance: 1,111 horsepower, 0-60 in 2.5 seconds, hypercar numbers in a luxury sedan. The design is clean and futuristic, with slim micro-lens array headlights and a glass canopy roof that floods the cabin with light. Inside, it's a blend of Scandinavian minimalism and California tech: sustainable materials, a floating 34-inch 5K display, and a retractable touchscreen. Thanks to compact motors and batteries, the cabin is huge. More rear legroom than many larger rivals. Lucid calls it the space concept, and it delivers.